In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view past journal entries in QuickBooks online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to set the right dates so you can review any journal entry from the period you care about. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in so you land on the main dashboard. From here, head to the Reports area. You'll find it in the left menu. That's where QuickBooks keeps the built-in reports and the tools to build your own. Once you're on the Reports page, look for the option to create a new report. Select Create New Report to open the Report Builder. This is a flexible workspace that lets you shape the information you want to see. Inside the Report Builder, choose the journal-focused layout if it's presented, then proceed by selecting Create. That opens the customizable view of your report, so you can define the exact time frame and make sure you're only seeing the entries you need. Next, set your date range. Click the From field to choose the start date for the period you want to review. Use the calendar picker to dial in the exact day, month, and year. Then click the To field to set the end date. Picking precise dates is especially helpful if you're reconciling a specific month, quarter, or year, or if you're researching a correction that happened in a narrow window. If you prefer presets, open the Report Period dropdown. Here you can quickly switch to common ranges like this month, last month, this fiscal year, last fiscal year, or all dates. This is a great time saver if you don't need a custom range. Once you've set the dates with either the From and To fields or the Report Period dropdown, your report will refresh to show the journal entries that fall within that window. As you review the results, remember that the journal report organizes entries by date and lists debits and credits side by side, helping you confirm that everything balances. If you're auditing activity, watch for unusual accounts, unexpected amounts, or descriptions that stand out. You can also expand your browser window or zoom out slightly to see more columns at once, which makes scanning easier. If you ever don't see what you expect, double check the date range first. It's the most common reason entries appear missing. Also, ensure you're in the correct company or location within QuickBooks if you manage more than one. That's it. Open QuickBooks, go to Reports, create a new report, and set your From, To, or Report period to surface the past journal entries you need. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.